For 5 days, the sky in Khartoum was dark of intense fighting, making the country's future obscure too. Too bad for those who hoped for a ceasefire, as the relentless sound of gunfire will continue. A 24-hour truce was supposed to come into effect on Wednesday evening, but the attempt has failed. Dozens of people are left now fearful about dwindling food supplies and a breakdown in medical services.
We request respect for the civilian population, for the health facilities, and we request a passage for the humanitarian workers, including those of Médecins Sans Frontières, that we tried as much as possible to support the health system of Sudan before. And now we have the capacity to scale up, but without the space and the safety guarantees for our staff, that's not going to be easy.
The bloody battle between Sudan's army and the rival, the paramilitary group, the RSF, has left 270 people dead and thousands of others injured. Civilians are those who are paying the heavy price. The fear now is that the Sudanese capital will turn into a ghost city. Terrified Sudanese who have been trapped in their homes for days by fighting in the capital are trying to flee the nightmare they are living in since Saturday.
The fighting is ongoing and there hasn't been a ceasefire. Only this morning people were dying right in front of us. There were people working by the Nile who died.
We were told to get out. Anyone who is able to leave. We can't just sit around. We need to make a living.
Earlier, fighting renewed between the Sudanese army and the Rapid Support Forces over the Palace of the Republic, the army's general command, and Khartoum International Airport. Sudan's armed forces accused the rival, the RSF, of failing to implement an internationally brokered truce for humanitarian purposes.